Hey guys, this is UBR Tech. Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is going to be me showing you how to field strip your Springfield Armory Hellcat RDP version. Before we get started, I'd like to ask everybody to please subscribe. Every subscriber helps the channel grow. Now that we got that out of the way, let's get on with the video. The first thing we're going to do is make sure we're safe. And how we do that is by pushing this button right here. That drops the magazine. Set that aside. So we're still not safe. We have to check the chamber to make sure that there's no ammo in the chamber. And how we do that is by holding the gun like this and grabbing the slide from here like this and pulling to the rear with the slide while pushing forward with this hand. So it's going to look something like this. And you can see inside there that there's no ammo at all. Now we're safe. The next step we have to do is push up and hold up on this slide lock. So we're going to push up like this, grab the slide from here, and pull the slide to the rear. And it's going to look like this. Next, we're going to push up on the takedown lever and push the takedown lever to the 12 o'clock position, just like that. Next, we're going to grab the slide from here again, and we're going to pull to the rear again. You're going to hear a click, and you're also going to see the slide lock drop. Grab the slide from here, pull to the rear, see it drop, follow the slide forward, and there you go. Next, to take the slide completely off, we're going to have to pull the trigger. What you're going to want to do is you're going to want to grab the slide with your pointer finger and your thumb like this, point the gun in a safe direction, and pull the trigger. Now, we could take the slide completely off. You could put this part down. Next, we have to remove the compensator. And how we do that is by pushing this lever in. And once you push and hold it in, you're going to turn the slide like this. And once this has come around 4 times, you can let go of the lever. So that was 1, this is 2, 3, and 4. Now you can let go of this lever right here and continue to take off the compensator. Just like that. Set that aside. Next, we're going to remove the recoil spring. You're going to grab the recoil spring from here and you're going to pull upward. So it's going to look something like this. And set that aside. Next, we're going to remove the barrel. We're going to grab the barrel from here and we're going to pull up like this and slide out like that. And you can set this down and you have field stripped your Springfield Armory Hellcat RDP version. Now let's put everything back together. You're going to pick up your slide, you're going to grab your barrel, you're going to put this part of the barrel into this hole where my finger is, but you're going to do it from the inside. The barrel is going to be on an angle just like that. It's going to slide in, and then you're going to push the barrel back like that, and you can see the barrel block dropped into place. Next, pick up your recoil spring. The fat end goes into this area right here, and then this disc is going to go right into this half circle right here. And it's going to look something like this, just like that. And what you're going to do is, in order to get that disc into that half circle area, you're going to compress the spring this way and push downward. So compress, push down, and there you go. It's in place. Next, we're going to install the compensator. And how you do that is by pushing in this lever and taking these threads and putting it into this circle right here. So you're going to push and hold this lever down. You're going to take your slide and insert the threads, and you're going to spin the slide a few times. That's 1, 2, 3, and 4. And then you can let go of this lever, and then you're going to spin the compensator on until it stops. So it stopped. I can't turn it anymore. So what you're going to do now is you're going to spin the compensator back just like a half turn, and then you're going to push in the lever again, and then you're going to continue to thread the compensator on until it stops again. So now it's stopped again. You can let go of the lever, and then all you're going to do is you're going to spin this area right here to the bottom of the slide, and you should hear it click. There you go. So now it's locked on and it's on properly. The other way you know it's on properly is because the top port is facing up. Next, we're going to install the slide to the grip. And how we do that is by taking this little notch here, this little open part, and this little open part, and we're going to slide it onto this rail and this rail right here. And it's going to look something like this. Just like that. And then once we have the slide on, we're going to push the slide lock up and hold up while grabbing the slide from here and pulling to the rear. It's going to look something like this. Next, we'll take the takedown lever and push it down to the 9 o'clock position, just like that. Next, what we're going to do is grab the slide from the rear over here again, and we're going to pull the slide to the rear. We're going to pull to the slide until we see or hear the click from the slide lock releasing. Follow the slide forward, and now you're done. The other thing I like to do is a function test. And how I do that is by gripping the gun like this, grabbing the slide from here, pulling to the rear 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Point the gun in a safe direction and pull the trigger. Everything seems to be functioning fine, so we should be good to go. What you do next is grab your magazine, put it into the bottom right here, and you are done. Congratulations, you have field stripped your Hellcat RDP. Guys, if you thought the video was helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you have any questions, please put it in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. If you haven't already, please subscribe. Every subscriber helps the channel grow. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.